Are you guys ready?
Yes. Hello, class. Today we're going to talk about architecture.
Oh my gosh, that's like my favorite subject. Oh my gosh.
Start from 19th century.
That's my favorite century. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy.
And we're going to talk about Romantic Classicism from England.
England, that's where my uncle is from. Oh my gosh, I've been there before. That's like my favorite place ever. Oh, you're so annoying.
What are you doing?
I hate this stupid class and I hate this stupid school. Earth sucks. I should just get back to my old planet. Finally, now I can return to my true form. Yeah, Earth sucks. I know, I don't know why we bought that stupid planet in the first place. We should just blow it up. True. Let's get back to our old planet. Right. The air is so fresh here. Oh my gosh, it's so much better than Earth. True. Let's hit it. You're such a good dancer. Oh my gosh. Okay.